The American Civil War 1861 to 1865 was not only a battle over the Union and slavery, it was a turning point that accelerated the growth of American industry. The demands of war drove massive changes in manufacturing, transportation, and labor, laying the foundation for the United States' emergence as a global industrial power in the decades that followed. Wartime demand fuels industrial growth. To supply armies with weapons, uniforms, railroads, and food, the North rapidly expanded its industrial capacity. Factories that once produced consumer goods shifted to war production. Ironworks, textile mills, and arms manufacturers, like the Springfield Armory and Colt, boomed as the government awarded large military contracts. Railroads and logistics. The Civil War highlighted the strategic importance of railroads, which were used extensively to move troops and supplies. This led to better rail networks, standardized gauges, and innovations in logistics that would benefit post-war commerce and national integration. Labor and innovation. With many men at war, factories turned increasingly to women and immigrant labor, while mechanization became essential. The war also sparked technological innovation, including advances in weaponry, ironclads, telegraphs, and agricultural machinery like the mechanical reaper, helping to modernize both industry and farming. Legacy. By the war's end, the North had built a robust industrial economy, while the South, dependent on slavery and agriculture, was left devastated. The Civil War thus deepened the divide between regions but also propelled the U.S. into a new era of industrial capitalism, shaping the future of the nation.